Derek here. Right, so I've come across this filament that was on Amazon only yesterday and found that they have got some real good pricing at the moment on this filament called Ecase filament. Never heard of it before, has very mixed reviews on this type of filament. I picked up some, I had to. It was $6.99 for a kilo. Now this is only in the UK, unfortunately. I don't think you can get it across the water. You can have a look, see if you can, I'm not too sure, but I couldn't find any at the moment. So the colours they do at this moment on this filament, they do purple, yellow, blue, green, grey and pink. At this moment I've got some purple here that I've been testing, and these are all test prints done on my hypercube. The bed was at 40 degrees using Magic Goo and 213 on a nozzle. So I will pop some close-ups in now.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Okay, so you've seen from the close-ups that they've actually worked out really well. I've had no issues with them at this moment in time. I've decided to get a couple more due to the fact of the price they are, but I just want to get this message out. I think the filament's great for the price. I've had no issues. You've seen from the close-ups what it can do and what it can't do. I think my cooling needs to be just slightly a little bit better on certain certain bridging, but other than that, as you can see, the prints came out fine. I will be doing another video a little bit later on. It's more likely going to be a live stream. I will be doing it at 7 o'clock PM GMT time for today, and this will be to draw the winner of a 1K giveaway that I'm doing. It's for 2 rolls of PLA filament from 3D Prints Limited, and I will be doing that later on today. Okay, so wanted to get the word out. Pretty good stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, all the links below. If you want to help support the channel, you're very welcome to. I've got Patreon links, PayPal links, I've got everything you need to know, they're all down below. I will also put a link to the filament, which is based on Amazon website at the moment, for $6.99. The stuff's going pretty quick. I'm going to pop it up now so you guys have got first choice of trying to get to it. Anyway, thank you very much. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Be yourselves. Thank you very much.